Today, we make the umamis of sweet, salty, and savory cinnamon-raisin French toast, egg and cheese sammies with caramelized bacon. Mmm. And they are beautiful. Come on. Oh, baby, don't you wanna go? Come on. Hello. Welcome to the kitchen of Chez Trips. I'm your owner and proprietor, Chef Trips. For today's video recipe, we are making cinnamon French toast, egg, cheese, and caramelized bacon sammies for breakfast, lunch, and or dinner. And they are beautiful. Please be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on the Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, Sports Chicago Style, and then the website, sportschicagostyle.com. Go to the Chez Trips page, and you will see all the ingredients and directions for each recipe. In a small bowl, whisk together the eggs, milk, and vanilla extract. Sprinkle the brown sugar on the bacon, then cook in an oven for 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes or until desired doneness. Bathe the bread in the egg mixture, rotating and flipping the pieces for maximum absorption. Melt butter in the pan. Cook the bread on medium-high heat for about 2 to 4 minutes until golden brown. Flip and then cook the other side. Transfer the cooked French toast to a plate, then spread syrup or jelly on the inside of each slice. Fry eggs until desired doneness, flip, then top with your cheese. Divide your bacon onto 2 pieces of your French toast. Place the cooked eggs and cheese onto the top of the bacon, then cover with remaining slices of French toast to complete your sammies. And they are beautiful. Enjoy! Thank you for watching, and please let me know in the comments if you tried this recipe and if it was beautiful to you as well. See you next time.